everyone, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today what we are learning, what we are studying, Hindi, okay, from grade 5, नूतन गुंजन हिंदी पाठ माला 5वीं कक्षा से. चलो, the lesson name is बापू की सीख, पेज नंबर 73. समय का महत्व, what is the importance of time. गांधी जी को भारतवासी और भारतीय भाषा से विशेष लगाव था. गांधी जी loves to, like गांधी जी affectionate with the Indians and India's languages. Okay, वे समय का पालन कठोरता से करते थे. He used to follow the time always. For the Gandhi ji, the 1 second also very most important. Not 1 second, the 1 millisecond also is very important for the Gandhi ji. Right? Gandhi ji, who is Gandhi ji? Everyone सबको पता है ना? Yes, he is the father of our nation. उनका मानना था कि घड़ी में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सुई सैकड़ और मिनट की होती है. In the watch, in the time. घड़ी means in watch, in the clock. In the clock, the needle is the second needle, the minute needle, not the hour hand, the second hand and the minute hand. यदि हम समय की छोटी इकाई को महत्व नहीं देंगे तो घंटों, महीनों और दिनों के महत्व से अनभिज्ञ रहेंगे. First we have to give importance for the seconds, then only we can give importance of the hours, importance for the months, correct, and days. वे एक पल भी व्यर्थ नहीं गंवाते थे. He will not waste a single second also. उनका कहना था कि समय का सम्मान करोगे तभी सफलता मिलेगी. If you'll give importance to the time, then only you will get the success. सत्य और समय दोनों रेल की पटरियों की तरह है जिन भर मनुष्य जीवन भर चलाता है. The railway track, the satya or samay. Satya means the truth, samay means the time. Truth and time are the rail track, like that, two rail tracks. So you have to balance both like that, then only your life will be very simple and very good. हमें समय का महत्व समझाना चाहिए. हमें समय का महत्व समझना चाहिए. We have to understand the importance of the time. Right? So next. एक बार गांधी जी उत्तर प्रदेश की यात्रा पर अपने पौत्र कांति को भी साथ ले गए. One time he was going to Uttar Pradesh. Okay, for just to visit Uttar Pradesh he was going. That time he just took his grandson Kanti also. हमेशा की तरह वे इस बार भी रेल के तीसरे दर्जे में बैठे थे. Always he used to sit in darja means the, what we can say, the third class coach, that one will say, right, that one. तीसरे दर्जे means third class coach. He was sitting there only as usual. रेलगाड़ी अपनी रफ्तार से चल रही थी परंतु गांधी जी लेख लिखने में व्यस्त थे. The train was moving as it is speed, how it will be the train speed, like that only it was moving, and Gandhi ji was busy in writing something. Gandhi ji was writing something. Gandhi ji was writing some articles in his book. उन्होंने अपने पौत्र कांति से पूछा, he asked to his grandson, कितना समय हुआ है? What is the time now? कांति ने कहा 5 बजे हैं. So कांति said, कांति replied, it's a 5 o'clock. अचानक गांधी जी की नजर घड़ी पर पड़ी और उन्होंने देखा कि घड़ी में 5 बजने में 1 मिनट बाकी है. His just eyes, he was just writing, he just said, the Kanti said 5 o'clock. So he just eyes went to on his watch. And he saw, still it's not a 5 o'clock, it was 4:59. So obviously he said 1 minute, 1 second late, right? Like that, it is 1 minute. उन्होंने लिखना छोड़कर कांति को देखा और कहा, he just stopped his writing and he just asked to Kanti and said, ध्यान से देखो कितना बचा है. Look carefully, what is the time now? कांति ने ध्यान पूर्वक देखकर कहा 5 बजने में 1 मिनट शेष है. So he just saw carefully and he said it's 1 more minute to become 5 o'clock. गांधी जी ने कहा, गांधी जी said, घड़ी रखने का क्या लाभ है? What is the use of time? What is the use of keeping a watch when you are telling a wrong time? What is the use of keeping a watch? Like that he's telling to his grandson. जब तक सही समय न बताया जाए, you will not tell a proper time, then what is the use of keeping a watch in your hand? Like that he's telling. यदि 30 करोड़ मिनट को जोड़ा जाए तो कितने महीने और कितने दिन होंगे? He is telling the 30 million minutes. The 30 million minutes, if we'll just count it, can you tell me how many months and how many days it will be? यदि 5 की जगह 1 मिनट कम कहें, if we'll just tell, just like that. See, example, if I'll tell, if the time will be 12:55, someone will ask, I'll not say 12:55. I'll say just it's a 1 o'clock. Correct? Like that, if we'll do any mistake, तो क्या होगा? What it will be happen? तुमने सत्य को न पहचान कर गलती की है. You know the truth, but then also you did the mistake. भविष्य में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. In the future, you should not do like this. Like that, he said to Kanti, his grandson. So what we will learn in this? We have to give importance to the time, whether it will be a 1 hour, whether it will be a 1 minute, whether it will be a 1 second. Right? So let's second, किसकी है गंगा यमुना? Whose Ganga Yamuna is? बात इलाहाबाद की है. इलाहाबाद is a one place, right? इलाहाबाद, Allahabad, right? बात इलाहाबाद की है. It's this incident happened in Allahabad. सुबह का समय था. इट वॉज मॉर्निंग टाइम. गांधी जी, नेहरू जी एवं अन्य स्वयं सेवकों के साथ बातें करते करते हाथ मुंह धो रहे थे. गांधी जी, नेहरू जी. गांधी जी मीन्स गांधी जी, नेहरू जी मीन्स द चाचा नेहरू. एंड अन्य स्वयं सेवक. अन्य मीन्स द अदर वॉलंटियर्स. स्वयं सेवक मीन्स वॉलंटियर्स के साथ बातें करते करते he is talking and he is just washing his face. मुंह धो रहे थे. He was washing his face. गांधी जी ने कुल्ला करने के लिए जितना पानी लिया था वह खत्म हो गया और उन्हें दोबारा पानी लेना पड़ा. Morning when we will get up, we'll just what we will do, we'll just gargle, right? We'll just take a little water and we'll just slurp it and we'll just throw it, right? Like this, gargle, kulla. So he just took some water to do that gargling, but that water, it's got finished. How much he has taken the water, it got finished. इस बात से गांधी जी थोड़े खिन्न हो गए. He became very sad because again he has to take the water, right? It's not the matter of he don't want to take the water. It's the matter of he has to waste the water, no? Like that he's thinking. Okay? Don't think in a negative way. Because it's obviously it's a Gandhiji means obviously we are learning some lessons from him. Correct? गांधी जी के चेहरे की भाव बदलते देख नेहरू जी ने पूछा, क्या हुआ? आप कुछ परेशान दिख रहे हैं. When your face will be sad, obviously the opposite person will ask, right? Why? What is the matter? Like that only नेहरू जी asked to the गांधी जी. बाकी स्वयं सेवक भी गांधी जी की तरफ देखने लगे. All the volunteers also looked just to him, to गांधी जी. गांधी जी बोले, गांधी जी said, मैंने जितना पानी लिया था वह खत्म हो गया और मुझे दोबारा पानी लेना पड़ रहा है. यहाँ पानी की बर्बादी है. How much I want water I had taken, but then also it's got over. Now again I have to take water. It's a waste of water, right? Like that he is telling. Then नेहरू जी मुस्कुराए और बोले. नेहरू laughed, smiled and said, बापू आप इलाहाबाद में हैं. बापू you are in Allahabad. यहाँ त्रिवेणी संगम है. Here we have Triveni Sangam. Triveni Sangam means the 3 rivers together. That one will call it as a Triveni. यहाँ गंगा यमुना बहती है. कोई मरुस्थल थोड़े ही है कि पानी की कमी हो. आप थोड़ा पानी अधिक भी प्रयोग कर लेंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So he just said, you are in Triveni Sangam. You are in where the Ganga Yamuna flows. That place you are in. This is not a desert. In desert will not get the water, right? Marusthal means like a desert place. Will not get water at all. Correct, right? There you can just see the sand over there and the camels over there. Correct, like that he's telling. This is not a desert. This is a water place. You'll get more water in this. पानी की कमी हो. आप थोड़ा पानी अधिक भी प्रयोग कर लेंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So he's telling, अगर आप if you want to waste little more water also, what will happen, like that he's telling. गांधी जी ने कहा, गांधी जी said, किसकी है गंगा यमुना, this whose गंगा यमुना is this, ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए ही तो नहीं बहती, this is not flowing only for me, right, it's not floating only for me, it's not flowing only for me. उनके जल भर तो सभी का समान अधिकार है, everyone have the proper correct rights on that water. हर किसी को यह बात अच्छी तरह से समझनी चाहिए कि प्राकृतिक संसाधनों को दुरुपयोग करना ठीक नहीं है. Everyone has to understand the importance of the natural resources. प्राकृतिक संसाधनों, natural resources, correct, right? We are getting water, we are getting oxygen freely. That's what we are wasting like that, right? So when we will just think, okay, 100 rupees, this much oxygen will come. That time we will think, oh, we have to think, right? Correct? So that's why we have to take care of our natural resources. How much we want, we have to take it. We should not waste it. कोई चीज कितनी भी प्रचुरता में मौजूद हो, हमें उसे आवश्यकता पूर्ण अनुसार ही खर्च करना चाहिए. It means how much we need it, that much only we have to take it, not more than that. We should not waste anything, like that he is telling. यदि हम किसी चीज की अधिक उपलब्धता के कारण उसका दुरुपयोग करते हैं तो हमारी आदत बिगड़ जाती है और हम बाकी मामलों में भी वैसा ही व्यवहार करने लगते हैं. If we started doing for this also, then we'll started doing for others also, like other natural resources also. We will waste other natural resources also, and it will be a bad habit for us. Like that he said. नेहरू जी और बाकी लोग भी उनकी बात समझ चुके थे. So Nehru and other volunteers who and all there, they understood what he wants to tell us. Okay. So next. जीविकोपार्जन में खद्दर की उपयोगिता. जीविकोपार्जन मीन्स फॉर द लाइवहुड में खद्दर मीन्स द खादी क्लॉथ, द क्लॉथ की उपयोगिता. उपयोगिता मीन्स यूज. द खादी क्लॉथ इज मेड फ्रॉम द इंडियन चिल्ड्रन, इंडियन पीपल. It's from Indian brand. It's from India, and it's a very good cloth. Yes, when the Gandhiji's time, it was very famous. Yes, that time we have modern industries also. We have the low income industries also. That time the Gandhiji they started this one. Then only this Charkha came, right? Yes. Next, let's start. गांधी जी खद्दर को भारत की आत्मा कहते हैं. गांधी जी used to tell the खद्दर, the khadi cloth is a soul of India. आत्मा, soul of India. वे आधुनिक उद्योगों की अपेक्षा लघु उद्योगों को प्राथमिकता देते थे. He used to give more importance to the low income industries, not to the modern industries. यही कारण है कि उन्होंने जीवन भर सूत कातने और खद्दर पहनने का अभियान जारी रखा. So for this reason only he used to do this soot katana. Soot katana means the yarn is cutting together and making a cloth, no children. That one will called as a soot katana. खद्दर पहनने का. So always he used to tell, please wear khadi cloths. Please wear khadi cloths. He used to tell to everyone. उनका मानना था कि हाथ से सूत काटने से एक तो लोगों को काम मिलेगा और दूसरे अपने हाथ से बनी हुई वस्तुओं का आनंद मिलेगा. So he used to think, if I'll tell about this also, so everyone will get a job. Yes, obviously, who will suit, who will cut that one, who will cut that thread to become a cloth and all. For that, obviously the industries will be there, right? When we will go the industry, it will take it as a work, then they will pay for us like that, and they will be very happy. Yes, I'm wearing this khadi which made by me, correct, right? Like that he used to think. Next, it's a very interesting chapter. एक बार गांधी जी स्वास्थ्य लाभ के लिए बेंगलुरु गए तो उनसे मिलने विद्यालय की कुछ लड़कियां आई. One time he went to Bangalore for his health checkup. Okay, for his health benefits, he just went to Bangalore. That time some girls came to meet him from the school. गांधी जी उनसे बोले, गांधी जी said them, क्या तुम लोगों को खद्दर के बारे में कुछ पता है? Do you know anything about खद्दर? Khaddar is nothing but the khadi, the cloth, the khadi cloth. So just Gandhiji asked to these girls, do you know anything about Khaddar? उनमें से एक लड़की ने हंसते हुए कहा, खद्दर का अर्थ है कपड़ा. So he said, yes, Khaddar means a kapda. Kapda means cloth. One girl replied like that. वे बोले, he said, किस प्रकार का कपड़ा? What type of cloth? What kind of cloth? थोड़ी देर चुप रहने के बाद दूसरी लड़की बोली. Sometimes she was silent. Then after that, one more girl said, खुरदरा सा कपड़ा. खुरदरा सा कपड़ा. खुरदरा सा कपड़ा means little tough, little hard. गांधी जी ने कहा, गांधी जी said, सूत का हाथ से बुना कपड़ा ही खद्दर कहलाता है. Which one we will stitch? Which one we will do the threading part? We will do threading or yarn together, cutting the thread together, sewing the together. That one only will call it as खद्दर, that cloth. अच्छा बताओ, इसे पहनने से क्या लाभ है? If you'll wear, what is the use of this खद्दर? The Gandhiji is asking to these girls. एक लड़की ने कहा, वन गर्ल सेड, यह मजबूत होता है. दिस क्लॉथ इज वेरी गुड, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक अन्य लड़की ने कहा, वन मोर गर्ल सेड, यह शीघ्र की साफ हो जाता है. इट विल क्लीन वेरी क्विकली. गांधी जी बोले, गांधी जी सेड, इसे इसलिए पहनना चाहिए क्योंकि खद्दर सूत से बनता है. और सूत कौन काटता है? ही सेड, यू हैव टू वेयर द खद्दर बिकॉज हु विल stitch, who will do this khaddar, who will do this suit? The people, right? Amir ya garib log, poor. Amir means rich, poor means, garib means poor. Who will stitch this? Who will do this khaddar? Poor people or rich people? इसे गरीब लोग काटते हैं. इसे गरीब लोग काटते हैं. So the poor people will make this. हमारे गांव में बहुत गरीब हैं. In our country, in our village, we have so many poor people. इसलिए वे आजीविक चलाने के लिए सूत काटते हैं. For their livelihood, for their living being, for to live, they will do this work. यदि इससे उन्हें दमड़ी भी मिल जाए तो इसे वे अपना सौभाग्य मानते हैं. If they'll get little bit amount also from this, they'll be very happy. They will feel, yes, we are blessed with this. यदि तुम खद्दर खरीदोगी तो इससे उनकी आय बढ़ेगी और वे गुड़, मिर्च और नमक खरीद पाएंगे. If you will wear this khaddar cloth, then obviously the business will go, right? Like that, and they will get the good payment and they can buy good. Good means jaggery, mirch means chili, namak means salt. Because that time it's very, what we can say, the very poor people, they can't able to eat all 3 meals in a day, correct? That time. So he was telling, Gandhiji was telling, if you'll buy the khaddar cloth, if you'll buy this cloth, they will live their life nicely. अब समझ में आया कि खद्दर क्यों पहनाना चाहिए. Now I got to know why I should wear खद्दर cloth. लड़कियों ने कहा, the all girls said, बापू अब हम भी खद्दर के कपड़े जरूर पहनेंगे. Now we will also wear this खद्दर, this khadi cloth. So then we have here अभ्यास, इकाई, यूनिट, अनभिघ्न, अनजान, व्यर्थ, बेकार, पौत्र, बेटे का बेटा, पोता, खिन्न, दुखी, परेशान, प्राथमिकता, महत्व, आजीविका, रोजगार, काटना, चरखे आदि से ऊन या रुई से धागा तैयार करना, मेकिंग अ थ्रेड. Okay, then we have here मौखिक. गांधी जी को, just a minute, I have just written here. गांधी जी को किनसे विशेष लगाव था? You can see here, yes, गांधी जी को भारत, भारतवासी और भारतीय भाषा से विशेष लगाव था. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, सफलता किसे मिलती है? जो समय का सम्मान करता है, सफलता उसे ही मिलती है. मनुष्य जीवन कैसे चलाता है? So here this answer is there. You can just take it. Okay. Then after this, I have just read this. You can just take out this. Okay. Here we have लिखित क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Then we have दिए गए अनुच्छेद को पढ़कर प्रश्नों के उत्तर दो. Okay. Then here we have किसने किससे कहा. Okay. So then here I have some fill in the blanks here. भाषा से some fill in the blanks here. Then उदाहरण देखो, समझो और लिखो. Then इन शब्दों से प्रत्यय अलग करके लिखो. So this is all important, very important. Just I have made like this. You can just take it if you want. Yes, this all. Then kriya visheshan, the adverbs. Then yojak chin. Okay. So this is all about this chapter, children. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Sanvi Naveen channel. Bye bye children.